Good morning, student. As you know, I have solved question number up to 3 in my previous class, and today I will solve question number 4 of depreciation chapter. And let us read the question. Question is saying, Beta and company purchase a plant for rupees 50,000 on 1st January 2016. Addition was made on 1st July 2016. It means in same year company purchase another machine of rupees 27,000. And erection charge rupees 3,000. It also include in this machine or plant. On 1st April 2018, plant bought on 1st January 2016 become obsoleted, was sold for 27,000. It bought another plant on the same date for rupees 20,000. On 1st October 2019, plant bought on 1st July 2016 was sold for rupees 15,000, and second machine also sold on 1st October 2019. It was decided to provide depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum on original cost method. Prepare plant account from 16 to 19, assuming that accounts are closed on 31st December each year. This is called calendar year, as you know. So let us start question number 4. This is plant account. And now this is a column of date, debit side, particulars, amount, date, particulars, and amount. This is credit side. Now student, first I will put the first date, 1st January 2016, and plant purchase rupees 50,000. So 2016 January 1st to bank account 50,000. Now question is saying another plant also purchased on 1st July 2016. So I will write July 1st to bank account. We can write direct 30,000 and separate also. So total machine purchase we have it in this year 80,000. I will write of depreciation on 2016 December 31st, because this is calendar year and we will close off on 31st December. So now I will write by depreciation on first plant will be 5,000 at the rate of 10% per annum, and on second plant depreciation will be 1,500 because second plant has been purchased on July 1st and it will be 6 months. So 10% of 30,000 will be 3,000, and for 6 months it will be 1,500. So total will be 6,500 depreciation. And now I will write on December 31st balance by balance CD by balance CD. So total amount will be 80,000 now, and when we deduct 6,500 from 80,000, it will remain 73,500. I will transfer this figure to next year. So let us see, next year it will be on 2017 Jan 1st to balance BD, and it will be 73,500. Now in this year there is no plant purchased by company, so I will write off depreciation only on 2017 December 31st by depreciation on first plant it will be 5,000 on 50,000 at the rate of 10% per annum, and on second plant it will be 3,000. Now total depreciation will be 8,000. So I will write 8,000, and remaining balance will be 73,500 minus 8,000. So on 31st December by balance CD will be 61,500. Sorry student, it will be 65,500. Now I will transfer it next year in 2018. So on 2018 January 1st to balance BD, and it will be 65,500 now. Now question is saying in 2018 on 1st April 2018 plant bought on 1st January 2016, it means first plant which has been purchased in 50,000 become obsolete and was sold for 27,000, and it bought another plant on same date for 20,000. So on 1st April 2018, I will write bank account for new plant purchase 20,000. So I will write on 1st April to bank account 20,000, and on 2018 1st April first plant was sold. So on first plant depreciation will be for 3 months, Jan to 1st April, 1st Jan to 1st April. On first plant we can see each year depreciation is charged 5,000, but when we calculate depreciation for 3 months, it will be 1,250. So I will write depreciation for first plant. It will be 1,250. So, and now bank account for sold of first plant, it will be 27,000, because question is saying first plant sold for rupees 27,000. Now student, I will calculate loss and profit of plant. So let us see the calculation. You can see I have purchased plant cost of 50,000 and total depreciation charged 5,000 in first year, 5,000 in second year, and 1,250 in third year. So total will be 5, 5, 10, 11,250. So let us see cost of plant 50,000 and total depreciation is 11,250. Cost depreciation. So remaining value will be 750.83. Now selling price is 27,000. Sold. Remaining cost is 38,750 and sold in 27,000. So it will be 11,750 loss. So we have to show the loss on plant. So I will write on 1st April PL account, and we can write loss in bracket 11,750. Answer is also given, loss on plant 11,750. Now remaining plant is second plant and third plant which I have purchased recently. So on 31st December 31st, by depreciation on second plant will be now 3,000, and on third plant depreciation will be for 9 months because it has been purchased in 1st April, and from 1st April to December 31st, it will be 9 months. So 10% of 20,000 will be 2,000, and it will be for 12 months. Therefore 9 months it will be 1,500. Now 4,500 total depreciation of remaining plant, and now I will add and balance both sides. Then it will be 85,500 in debit side. I will write also in credit side 85,500, and by balance CD will be on December 31st. When we deduct from 85,500 all the items, remaining balance will be 41,000. Now I will transfer 41,000 to next year. So in 2019, 1st January to balance BD 41,000, and on 29/2019, question is saying next, on 1st October 2019, plant bought on 1st July 2016 was sold for 15,000. It was decided to provide depreciation. So now second plant was also sold on 1st October 2019 for rupees 15,000. So first I will write October 1st by depreciation on second plant, because we have to sold second plant. So it will calculate it for 9 months, January to 1st October. It will be 9 months, and depreciation will be 2,250. You can see depreciation for full year is 3,000. So for 9 months, when we will calculate, it will be 2,250. And now I will write October 1st by bank account, and this plant has been sold in 15,000. So I will write bank account 15,000, and now I will calculate total depreciation on this plant and profit and loss. So let us see. Now you can see on second plant, value of second plant is 30,000. Cost and total depreciation we have to calculate 15,000, 1,500, 3,000, 3,000 and 2,250. So it will be 33617 or to 9,725 to 50. So 9,750 I will write total depreciation, and remaining balance will be 20,250. after charging all the depreciation. And selling price is 15,000 sold. So we have loss 5,250 loss. You can see the answer 5,250. So now I will write PL account. October 1st by PL account, loss 5,250. Now I have one machine, that means third machine, and depreciation of third machine will be 2,000 for 1 year. So I will write on 31st December depreciation account third machine 2,000, and balance will be 41,000 both side. 41,000 I will write 41,000 both side. And when we deduct from 41,000 all the item, then balance CD will remain 16,500. So this is the solution, December 31st. Now student, I hope that you understand it and you can take photo of this solution. So let us see the video. I will meet you in next video. Thank you very much.